Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. My name is Luke, and I've invited you into my home to tell you all about my favourite technology for starting university. There's loads of technology out there, and you'll be told that you need this and that before starting university. But I'm here to tell you, do you actually need it? We're going to do like some dispatches, investigation, Channel 4 style stuff. Oh, it's going to be sick. So before I came to university, I had a dying MacBook, my PS4, and my awful television. And I was like, this will get me through the next 3 years. And I really wish that I had somebody around to kind of tell me this is what you definitely need. Because I have spent a fortune on computers, and I'm going to tell you all about them right now. I've gone through 5 different computers in the 2 years I've been at university. So I've spent a fortune on computers, so you don't have to. So we'll start off with computers, and you really don't need to spend a fortune if your course doesn't need you to. If all you need to do for your course is write essays and maybe Google some stuff, get a Chromebook. You can get a Chromebook for around £179. Basically, you can just access the internet, but you can use software such as Google Docs to be able to do all of your essays on. They're cheap, they're portable, and they've often got a lot of battery life, but the only downside is that you'll be locked into what software you can use. It doesn't use a Windows operating system. If you want to do other stuff on your PC, such as gaming in your spare time, editing photos or videos, you will need a high-spec computer. Remember that just because something's expensive doesn't necessarily mean it's better. Compare the specs on any computer before you buy it, because you might be able to find something a lot cheaper but with exactly the same specifications as something that's more expensive. And yes, I am an Apple fanboy, but I'm not going to be screaming from the rooftops, buy a MacBook. Because if you don't need one for your course, why spend like £1 million on one? It just seems silly to me. And if you really want to slash your spending, why not just use one of the PCs that are available at university? Of course, you'll be limited when you can use it, and you won't be able to store all of your work on there. But if you just buy a hard drive, you'll be able to just minimise your costs entirely. And always remember to consider what you'll be using your PC for now and in the future. If you get a really good PC, obviously it's an investment for the future, but always double check if you're going to have to use any specific software for your course. And if you are ever in doubt, ask one of your student success advisors or your program leader, and they'll be able to give you advice before you buy anything. And software wise, if you require any software for your course, always double check if there's a student discount available. And you don't need to buy Microsoft Office because university gives it to you free. Just sign up for Office 365. Consider an external hard drive instead of a memory stick, pen, USB thingy-majiggy. I don't know what they're actually called. And I've got 2 reasons why. They're tiny and you'll lose it in any computer that you ever put it in. It's like it's disappeared, it's gone into the ether. It's like some USB goblins are after it. Hard drives often have a lot more storage, so you get more gigabytes per pound or more pounds per gigabyte. I don't know how maths and things work. I found a 500 gig external hard drive available for £35. And if you don't want to splash out on a hard drive at all, why not just use a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox? If there's no internet though, you're kind of screwed, soz. Hold on, no. Actually, I want another prop. And there you have it. There are my technology tips for starting university.